So I put my tablet on.
This is called Luna.
What fireworks?
Silver rain. Holy shit. Imagine you're epileptic. Alright, leave the broken eye. So you can see it all. Have you seen the fire up at the park? Up at the football pitch?
I think so.
The fireworks that are there. Oh, it's green. Fucking shit.
That was fast.
That's the other ones, aren't they? The fountain ones.
Saturday one, innit?
I can say I'm like, I'm just shaking now.
She's a pound.
Fucking.
It's red this time. That's bright, innit?
No.
And then it goes up again. No, don't die. Oh, see, it's one neighbour.
This is just slightly cold.
It's wet, so it won't.
How's it?
It's when that happens, you're like, oh my god. And it's so delayed, innit? So you can't see it. Holy shit. Oh, fucking shit.
A rocket launcher.
Oh. 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 Oh.
That was scary.